Hey guys, I'm doing a quick instant pot recipe. So I have this chili here that's frozen, but what I'm going to use this, use this as a base, where I'm going to put all of this other stuff in there, like carrots, seasoning, some onions. So I'm going to add a little bit of rice to make it thicker. So as you can see, the carrots are in there, the rice is in there, the chickpeas are in there, onions are in there, and the base, as you can see, the chili base is already on top there. So I'm gonna put it into the instant pot, and I'm gonna be putting it on the rice button, and then I'll do a quick taste test for you. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, check this out, guys. It's all done. So I remade that chili. I added some Organic Girl Super Greens in there, as you can see. There you see the greens on top. So I added it in at the end, and just want to see how everything mixed up. So, yeah, let's do a quick taste test on the broth here. There we go. It's got quite a bit of good flavor actually. So like I said, I did a review of the chili by itself, and it has a nice sort of like a spiciness to it, but it didn't have a lot of taste. Now it has a lot more taste from all the vegetables that went with it. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.